So now let us see how to make a permanent link for an event. Okay, so first open your Gmail account, and from there click the Google Apps, and from the list you click the calendar, and now you get the dialog box for the application calendar. And now let us create a Google Meet link for a particular period of session. And on the left hand side you have a create icon, right, and left click on that, so you get a dialog box. So from here you go to the more options, right. So now I am clicking I am creating the title of this event. Week 3 online STTP AICTE and SKCET. So from it is not on all days, right, and I'm going to set the event. So from when till when this link needs to be active, and our session will start on 7. So prior to that I am fixing one date before to that. So from 6th morning 1 AM, okay, and till so our event will stop by 11th of September, so I am extending till 12th of 11:30 PM. This link will be active, okay, and so if you click this all day, which means that it will start from the 6th of September on the 00 AM till the 12th of September 24 hours, that is 12 PM, this link will be active. And if I remove that, you can see the time is enabled. So that depends on your option. So I am giving the time restriction. So if required you can update your time zone, or else by default it is given as 5:30 plus GMT. So here the location what I am adding is Sri Krishna College of Engineering Technology, which is already present on the online. So and now I am clicking this option to enable the link for the Google Meet video. So this is the permanent link, you can see. So in this link up to 250 participants can join, okay, and the notification will be intimated 10 minutes before daily, and the list of people you have to add it here, okay. So when I add these people can join directly by clicking this link when you enable this link, okay. And here the description of this event I am just giving, dear all, welcome to the online STTP organized by funded by AICTE and organized by Sri Krishna College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. Please use this link to join. Maybe this you can avoid, because the purpose of creating this link is you need not go to your start meeting and create a link every day. Okay, this may create a problem when you come out due to some network error, so that again it may create a new Google Meet link which will not be able to reconnect immediately by the participants for the particular duration. So we are creating this link which is a permanent link. Okay, and you can do one thing, you can share this link with your invited speakers. So I am giving a description related to that. Dear sir, I share this link with you to join us for the online STTP and to deliver your lecture as per the schedule provided to you. Thank you. So with this, it is enough. And see guest list. Okay, the guest, you are giving the guest permission. What a guest can do, guest can invite others when they get this link through their email, as well as they can see the guest list also. Okay, and so what I am doing now is I am not inviting anybody in this list, I am just creating the link. Okay, and now let me save this. So once it is saved, you can see the event is saved. So which means on the day 6, if you go, you can see. Okay, when you click this, you get an option. Okay, join the Google Meet. So if you click this, you can see your Google Meet is getting ready. And you can do one more thing. Once this is ready, you can bookmark this. Okay, bookmark this and keep it. Keep it here. So whenever you are organizing your event, it is enough that you just open this. Okay, it is enough, you open this and join. And one more thing is, you are the whole authority for this link and you are the admin of this link. So whoever is willing to join, it is enough that you share this link, so they will try to join this event using the link which you have shared, and you can admit everybody. And the most important purpose of creating this is, so for example, if I, due to network problem, if I come out, it rather than creating the another start meeting, you can go rejoin the meeting. Okay, so that the link is made permanent. Okay, you so the participants will not have any trouble in joining the meeting again when there is a network problem from your side, because you are the host of this link. So I hope this is quite understandable to you. So please follow these instructions and create your link, and please share the link. For example, so this is the link, so you please share this link with me when I share a common sheet. Okay, so yes, a sheet will be prepared only to share all the links for the particular sessions, and that will be shared with the participants on the one day before the session starts. Okay. Okay, and thanks for watching the video.